Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can visit your friend's aquarium and visit game of Roblox new aquarium event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, we'll be able to claim our own aquarium and add our fish to the aquarium. And we can also visit our friend's aquarium, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. Okay, first of all, you can click on this menu and you will see the aquariums menu, and here you can see the aquarium list and just select your friend that you want to visit. And I'm going to visit this aquarium, this person's or this player's aquarium. Can I like it from here? Okay, we can like the aquarium from here guys, like this, and I'm going to visit it. And this is my friend's aquarium. You can unlock your own aquarium if you don't want other players visiting your aquarium. Okay, this is my friend's aquarium. And yeah, I'm going to go back to my aquarium. My aquarium now is opened. If we want to lock it, we can click on this key icon like this. I'm going to go back to my aquarium. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can visit your friend's aquarium and fish it game of Roblox aquarium update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.